At the Dermatology Laser and Vein Center, we believe that taking care of your skin and confidence should always feel within reach. That is why we proudly accept CareCredit, a healthcare financing option that makes it easier to move forward with the treatments you want now and pay for them over time. CareCredit offers flexible monthly payment plans that fit your lifestyle and can be used for a wide range of services, including laser treatments, skin rejuvenation, body contouring, vein therapy, and more. The application is quick and simple and can be completed online or right here in our office. Once approved, you can use CareCredit immediately, not only for today's visit but also for future treatments or ongoing care. Because when it comes to feeling your best, the experience should be empowering, not stressful. Learn more about CareCredit and how it can help you achieve your goals at the Dermatology, Laser and Vein Center. Thank you so much for listening.